Guys, what if I told you that your negative thoughts are not ruining your manifestation? In fact, they might actually be a part of the process. I know it sounds crazy, right? Because most people they panic the moment they feel anxious. They overthink, they spiral into doubt and etc. They think, oh no, I just messed up everything. But what if the real problem isn't your thoughts? It's how you relate to them. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to deal with anxious thoughts and emotions while manifesting. So you can stay in control and feel calmer, actually move closer to your desired reality. So first things first, you need to realize who you truly are. You are not your thoughts. You are not your emotions. You are definitely not this body. You are the awareness in which all this is happening. So thoughts arise, feelings arise, sensations arise, but you are the observer of it all. And the moment you truly understand this, something powerful happens. Your reaction time reduces. So instead of getting anxious or pulled into the anxiety, you start watching it. You become a witness to it. So instead of becoming the storm, you become the sky. And from this state of pure awareness, you can consciously choose either of these questions, such as, what do I want to feel? What do I want to experience? And what do I want to manifest? So this is exactly what we go deeper into my meditation class, learning how to detach from the body and step into the pure awareness. So because that's where real control begins, right? So second point, everything you see in your awareness or reality is part of the process. Yes, even the things that you don't like. Instead of reacting negatively, give everything a meaning that supports you. So because here's the truth. You are the creator of your reality. So whatever you say goes. So if something doesn't look right, ask yourself, how can this actually be working in my favor? Maybe the delay is alignment. Maybe the silence is preparation. Maybe the distance is bringing clarity, right? You get to decide the meaning. So assume always the best. So why not choose a meaning that empowers you? Third, everything is empty and meaningless until you assign meaning to it. This is actually good news because it means you can shift your entire reality just by shifting your awareness. So manifestation is not about forcing things, it's about occupying a state. And a state where your desire already exists. And the more you stay in that state, the more it starts to solidify and eventually hardens into fact. So instead of fighting your current reality, just ask, what state am I in right now? And what state do I prefer? And then shift gently, again and again, because this is an ongoing process. You need to bring yourself back into your desired preferred state. Fourth, pour into yourself. This is where most people go wrong. They try to chase, stalk, they obsess over their specific person, but the more you focus on them, the more they seem to run away. Why? Because you are thinking from a state of lack. You are thinking like they are not here yet, we are not together yet, something is missing, right? And that state only creates more lack. So flip it. So start thinking from the version of you who already has what they want, right? So if you were already together, would you feel anxious? Would you stalk them? Would you constantly think like nothing has changed or any of those thoughts? No, right? You would feel secure. You'd feel loved. You'd feel chosen. You'd feel valued, at peace. So start seeing what you would see. Start feeling what you would feel. Start thinking like that version of you. And that's the shift. And finally, Learn to soothe your nervous system, because anxiety isn't just in your mind, it's also in your body. The more anxious you feel, the more your body stays in the flight or fight mode, and from that state you can't manifest clearly. So pause, breathe, and let it go. Remind yourself that this moment is safe. I'm okay. Like, I don't need to force anything. And also learn to forgive. Forgive them. Forgive even yourself for creating the situation. Let go of the desperation. Let go of the need to control the outcome. Because the truth is, your imagination, your inner world is the only reality that truly matters, right? And everything else will catch up. So, this is something we deeply work on even in the meditation class as well, like releasing emotional blocks, calming the nervous system, letting go of the old patterns. So, if this resonated with you, start implementing these shifts today. Observe your thoughts, choose better meanings, shift your state, pour into yourself, and calm your body. And if you're ready to go deeper, to actually experience this shift instead of just understanding it, you can join my meditation class, which is starting on the 4th of May, which is from Monday. And that's where we practice all of this together, step by step. So details are in the description, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.